Hello guys, we are the team of Paperwala and we has done some surveys for our project which is going to be based on the software which is known as the Paperwala. So please be patient and watch the video. Thank you.
Hello sir, my name is Gaurav Patil. Me and my team is working on one project which is known as Paperwala. It is one software project. So हमें उस प्रोजेक्ट पे वर्क करने से पहले और उसको डेवलपमेंट स्टार्ट करने से पहले कॉलेज से बताया गया है और हम लोग जिस कंपटीशन में पार्टिसिपेट कर रहे हैं वहाँ पे हमें एक सर्वे का रिक्वायरमेंट है। जैसे कि अभी हमने डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर लोगों का किया तो उन्होंने उनके प्रॉब्लम शेयर किए, मैंने उनको बताया कि अपना सॉफ्टवेयर कैसे वर्क करेगा। तो फिर अभी मुझे आप जैसे कि आपका बिजनेस है, ओके, यू हैविंग द क्लास लाइक बिजनेस, सो आई जस्ट वांट टू आस्क यू द क्वेश्चन लाइक what do you think about this pamphlet marketing or the pamphlet advertisement? मतलब आप लोग करते हो क्या वो चीज़?
Yes, we are doing that. Okay, pamphlet marketing is very good. Okay, since I have been doing since 12 years that, and I got good result also. But sometimes I get some problems also. Okay, but I want to resolve that problem. So let's see what will happen.
Okay, so other thing is like that. From market I came to know that pamphlet distribution is good thing, as you told about it's a good way to advertise your product or your business. But somewhere I listen that you guys are facing the problems, means specifically the classes, hotels, then after small businesses are there, they are facing the problems while doing that pamphlet marketing. So what kind of problems you are facing?
Problems are there. First of all, that charges are too much. Okay, then when we purchase that pamphlets, then after distribution problems when we send to children's. Okay, to distribute that some people, so they don't distribute properly that. So that is the big problem. Sometimes paperwala, okay, they did, but they don't do also that much properly. So what to do that? We don't know about it that much.
Okay.
So we cannot reach up to every person properly.
Okay. So आप इस बिजनेस में कितने साल से हो?
So near about I have been doing this business since 2012. So till date I have spent near about 6 to 7 lakh rupees.
Okay. On marketing.
On pamphlets.
Okay. Only on pamphlets you spend 7 to 8 lakh rupees in a month. Okay. So what is your opinion if someone provide you the smart way or someone provide you the software like how you guys are using the PhonePe, then after for Google advertisers are there, so like that if we provide you the platform where you can do the pamphlet distribution smartly as well as with the proper way in the low cost, so what will be your opinion on that?
Definitely it will work for us because headache will not be there. Okay, just I have to tell you that do these kind of things. Okay, because we will get the ready-made things. Distribution will be there.
Yes.
Your channels will be there, so there is no need to do anything that.
Okay.
And we will get the more customers. We can say that candidates, and that I can teach to them very well also.
Yeah.
Okay, so it will be very fantastic for us because that big headache will go
Yeah, sure sir.
somewhere.
So from last 15 years you are in this business. So what kind of changes you had seen in the marketing sector?
There are so many drastic changes came in marketing part. Okay, people are going through the different kind of things like Facebook, Instagram, but does not help that much because our we can say that different kind of things. When before 5 years people used to work on that like pamphlets, papers, then afterwards posters. So definitely works because whenever people read the papers at the moment, they will read it. But on the Facebook, Instagram, what happens? They scroll it on. They scroll it and they don't read that much properly because there are so many stuff is available. Paper is that paper, that pamphlet will be there. So we read only that much.
Okay. So another question is about, I will ask you something about finance. So what is the shareholds your marketing means in your yearly, like if any businesses, if I have the business, then from my whole income of the year I am spending the 5% on the marketing purpose. So what is your
Near about 10%.
Okay, means near about 10% you are spending for the marketing purpose. Okay. And the another thing is like that I want to ask you that as you send to pamphlets to that paper wala people, So do you get any kind of feedback from the customers? I got your pamphlet. Otherwise, do you get any kind of confirmation that your pamphlet has reached up to the target customer?
Not that much. Okay, if I will send 1,000 pamphlets, I get only 1 or 2. So that I don't get confirmation, sorry, did he send it really or not? Okay, sometimes that is big problem for us, big questions. So we have to focus on that also. But no one is doing that much, so let's see.
So like as you share your problem about it becomes that financial it's not that much supportive, then after you can't reach up to the target customers, as well as sometimes it becomes the hectic. And as you told, in last 10 to 15 years you have spent near about 7 to 8 lakh rupees on the marketing. So to overcome that problems, we are creating one software which is known as Paperwala. In this, as you told about, you don't get the confirmation did that person really reach up to that customer, or did he put that pamphlets into newspaper or not. So in the software, to overcome that problem, we has included some functions like which you will get the confirmation that your all the pamphlets reached up to the customer, consumer, and if that doesn't reach, then that also you will come to know. And as well as you will get the criteria how many people read your pamphlet. So thank you so much, sir, for giving me your precious time. Yes.